What's up everyone, Devin from CKid here, and I'm currently on location at the brand new Topgolf facility located right here in Chesterfield, Missouri. Now, major shout out to my friends over at Topgolf for inviting us out here to this private event in order to get a sneak peek view of the inside of this fun family-filled place, as well as to show you guys the Topgolf Experience and what you all can experience on the inside. So without further ado, let's go ahead and head inside. When you guys first come into the doors of this amazing place, you're first greeted with their very own version of this amazing lobby where you guys can also pick up some of their Topgolf souvenirs like some hats, golf balls, mugs, t-shirts, and more. And speaking of t-shirts, I think we're gonna go ahead and head on over to the front desk so we can pick up one. Now over here at the front desk is where you guys are going to begin your experience. Now they have what is called memberships where you guys can pay only $5 for a Topgolf card, which will give you access to a lifetime membership to come in and play all of the different games that they have, which I will touch on those different games a little later in this video once we go ahead and head outside. Now with this card, it also gives you access to each and every Topgolf location for you guys to play and have fun no matter what city you're in. You just rent yourself, family, and friends a booth and you're ready to get swinging. Next on the inside here, we have this beautiful state-of-the-art full bar and restaurant if you just want to come out and watch your favorite sporting events or just have a happy hour with co-workers and friends. And with their large selection of great tasting food for you foodies out there, there is plenty of items to choose from to fulfill those appetites. Now let's go ahead and continue here to the outside so I can show you all where the real fun begins. Now, stepping outside here, you will be greeted with 3 levels of 100+ climate control hitting bays, free Wi-Fi, so you guys can make sure to get some of those awesome swings right from your phone onto social media, and make sure to tag me and Topgolf in it. We definitely like to see those. Now there's also over 200 HD TVs, so you can continue what you were watching at the bar right here outside while teeing up. There's even a rooftop terrace with a fire pit, so that way you guys can sit outside and have a great time while enjoying the scenery. And speaking of scenery, it doesn't get any nicer than this view. Now looking out at the course here, you may have noticed these different size holes with nets and a flag in them. So how it all works is when you get to your rented bay, you just sign in each name to your party, select one of the 9 games to play from, and with your club, this is the cool part, you just simply wave it over the sensor and your ball will be dispensed. Now the graphic board here will let you know the distance of where each ring is aligned on the course. So when you're swinging for the fences, you know which target to aim for. Now each ball is microchipped, so that way when you make contact with it, it will provide you up on the screen here a bit of information about each swing, like the distance, the ball speed, and how high you hit it, as well as the hang time and if it had a bit of a curve on it. But that won't be a problem because we all hit the ball straight, right? So let's go ahead and take a couple swings now and see if we still got it, shall we? You guys can see I still need a bit of a practice, but to my defense, it's my first swings in a long time. At least that's what I'm going to stick with. Now, I mentioned that there are 9 games to choose from that I will show you here right on the screen. This way there's a game for the least competitive to the extremely competitive person. So go ahead and let me know which one are you. All right, so nighttime here is an entirely different experience. Now each hole is also equipped with lighting to enhance your experience even more. There is music playing, lights flashing in sync with the music, which just adds to the ambience of this place, and I personally recommend coming during the daytime as well as the nighttime to experience both environments. And last, I have to talk about this wonderful staff at the Topgolf location. Now, you want a drink while you're playing, you just call up one of the waiters or waitresses and they will kindly assist your beverage and food needs, so that way all you guys have to do is focusing on just having fun. Well everyone, there you have it, a sneak peek on the inside of the upcoming Topgolf Mega Entertainment Facility located right here in Chesterfield, Missouri. Again, I want to send a huge shout out And thanks to my friends over at Topgolf for inviting us out here to give you guys a look on the inside of what is soon to come. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, go ahead and share and leave a comment and tag me over on Twitter, as well as check out my YouTube channel to see some exclusive film content that I shot while on the inside. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.